Alright guys, so it's actually a couple days later and I'll show you guys what has happened with Justin's car. We're currently up with it and essentially what hopefully needs to be done to get this thing running and going. So you guys seen in the last video, we started it, we had a couple sparks, it turned over a bit for like a half a second and just died. So yesterday, Justin and my boy Anthony came over and he brought a friend and we tried to figure out what could be wrong with it. So we figured it may be the starter, unfortunately. Because it just wasn't cranking anymore. It cranked the one time, it hasn't cranked again since. We've seen sparks by the starter, so we ended up starting the process of taking apart the motor to get, the engine, well the motor, yeah, to get to the starter. Instead of pulling the motor out and doing transmission and pulling transmission down, it's easier, not easier, but it's just, the way we did it was we went through the intake manifold, the disc valve, all that stuff, and this is where we're at. As you can see, we do have the intake manifold off. It currently is... intake manifold is right there. Shop dog Esme, of course. But again, intake manifold is off. Yeah, we pulled this whole thing apart to get access to the starter, which is behind there. So that is off. Here is the starter. This is the culprit for the issue. As you can see, this is your regular starter for your E46. As you can see, there is a ground right there, which has completely just, yeah, it's basically just not connected anymore at all. So we figured that it's just why it's not starting, which makes the most amount of sense. We're not too sure why this has happened. The starter was like in perfect condition when we threw it. We took it when the other was on, when it was on the other motor. We took it off. There was no issues. We didn't do anything differently. So I'm not sure why it's not working. But I'll show you guys, if you guys can see down in there. It's covered right now. But the new starter is already in place. We set up until about 11:30 the other day to get this new starter in. It is bolted in, not entirely tight. It's just bolted in. But hopefully today's the day we want to put it back together and we do go ahead and get it started. So that is today's goal. Alright guys, so I just got back in from hearing the doorbell. I was in the garage. I hope there's no address, but Amazon did arrive. Funny story. So my sister, she's been wanting these, she wants these like masks or whatever. I'll show you guys how they are. But essentially, she's wanted a mask. And I'm like, send me the link and I'll possibly order it for you. So sorry about all the messages you're gonna see as I'm going for this X-Acto knife. So she ended up sending me the link, and then in my head I'm like, I might as well get it for her today. I can wait, but I'm like, alright, I said today, so she has it because she asked for it like 3 days ago. And I'm like, with that, it was like 15 bucks for that. It's like you need $25 for Amazon Prime, of course, for it to come same day. So with that, I basically was like, you know what, Justin would need, or he'd appreciate if I got him something for his car. You know what I mean? Help him out with his build, if you will, his build or whatever. Just help his car get the hell out of my damn garage. Put it that way. I'm just at that point. His car needs to go. Like, holy shit. So I got him something to help him get his car out of my damn garage. Because at that point, ladies and gentlemen, at that point where my car needs to go. So she wanted these like, it's not related to the video, I guess you could say, but she wanted these like skull masks. So she wanted 4 of them. I'm like, I'm like, I ride a motorcycle, why not get for myself as well? So I got 4 for her and then 2 for me, and then we'll do that. But I'm like, in the meantime, I'm on Amazon, why not go ahead and get Justin some damn gaskets for the intake manifold? So I think he'll like that, which would be really good. And yeah, hopefully this going in, it won't cause no codes, and the car will be gone soon. Cause yeah, something else. If you know what it is by now, I'll link it here. If you know what it is by now, I'll link it to the top right corner. But if the video for that isn't out yet, I'm not gonna say anything. I'm just gonna spoil it for you guys because I'm super excited about that. So I will see you guys in a bit when Justin gets here. What?
I'm confused. What's different?
You're confused? What's different?
Yeah.
Yo, you're worried about the surprise.
Yeah.
Why is this shit so damn dark? What surprise?
Oh.
That's not for you, first of all. It's my sister. Yeah.
I just looked.
Little thief.
So
No, the lens is massive. Like, you need to, like, look, you 60. It's a whole lot. It's not as close as you think. Yeah, it's just fucking. Yeah, okay. So, yeah, we're currently at the part where Justin has to rebuild this mess. You're doing that today, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Open the second drawer there. Cheap ass. Cheap ass. Yeah, open the second drawer. That's what I got for you, asshole.
Oh. Nice.
So don't get a fucking code, bro. Like, Huh? Where I get it from?
Yeah.
Amazon. I figure Amazon's better than nothing. Like they're putting like the OEM one, so.
But what?
$15, bro. So guys, so that's on. Alright guys, we have Justin again. So, well, another video. Well, it's the hopefully 7 starts video. So, everything's put back together on Justin's car now. And we're going to go ahead and boost it with Mrs. Justin's car. And then, yeah. Very safe. I've never done it before. Yeah, since we'll do it, I'm like, you guys are crazy.
That's a quick spark, so it's too bad. You know?
No, I don't, not with my life. You assume you have liftoff. That should not be like that.
No, I never really like that. It's just,
Alright guys, moment of truth.
again.
Oh, not yet.
Again.
Again, oh yeah. Hold on. There's a ratchet on your engine. Are you ready, man? You double checked everything?
I didn't put the fuel pump fuse back in yet.
So it won't then.
It won't start. It'll hang.
So just in case, see if it cranks. Yo, Justin! Yo, put that shit in right now, bro. Put that shit in right now.
Fuck, I forget where it goes.
Yo, look at that shit out. Bro!
That sounded healthy, dog.
Bro!
That sounded healthy.
Bro! Yo, I'm so like, I can't even like, bro, this is crazy. Bro, oh my.
Okay. Snapchat ready.
Hold on, it's ready? Okay, let me get my phone too, because you gotta get your phone over Snapchat, you know? Thought I lost my phone. Shit! Everything's off of it? Okay, perfect. Fuck, bro. Let's do this. What a Snapchat phone. Alright, let's do this, Justin. It's okay, it's gonna happen. Get a bit of gas. Yeah. Your gas is good? Huh? Yeah. Don't check the oil level? Listen. You do the oil change, right?
Sure. Did the oil change, filter, everything.
Anything leaking?
No.
It wasn't staying, was it?
No, it was staying on.
But it was just very rough, right?
Yeah, super rough. All those are plugs, down is good, everything is good.
You have no codes, right? Like when it was running, those no codes came up?
That's what I thought.
Okay, so run it, double check.
Yeah.
Double check it though.
That was gonna be another question.
Where's the reader? Is it back in my car still? Okay. Holy shit, Justin! You know what it means? We're doctors, right? We're doctors. We're officially doctors now. Yo, imagine doing. That's bro. That is insane. See, right now we're outside. The window, yeah, just push it down. So So right now we're outside. You guys can't tell we're outside. But the screen is completely white. You can't even see my hand in front of the camera. You wanna know why? Because of something going on very surprising, you know? If you haven't seen it yet, check the videos right somewhere there. That's crazy. It's actually crazy. That's a healthy sounding, well, other than like...
It was.
Dude, your exhaust is fucking... Oh, there's no exhaust.
No exhaust. That's why it's just as loud as that one.
Alright guys, so current update in regards to Justin's car starting. We popped the motor, got everything plugged in. It turned over. We basically started it, cranked it without the fuel pump. Fuel pump fuse in. It cranked. Put the fuse in. It turned over. It was running a bit rough, and then bit of knocking. Oh, my bike!
I'd wipe it with this rag, but it's soaked.
It's okay. And then we didn't connect the vacuum line. Connected that, ran a little better. Then we also ended up going ahead. You want another rag?
No.
Then we also ended up after that going. Oh wow.
Out.
Going ahead after that, and then we set the what? The throttle position sensor like that. We set the throttle position sensor. Cranked it again. It's running much better, but now we think because of the fuel.
It's running.
It's running now. It runs. Now we think the fuel's bad, so we're basically trying to get the fuel out of the car, put new fuel in. Look how bad that fuel is. Like
It's not even strong. Like it smells like.
Yeah, it's not even that strong. Yeah. So the fuel's just. So we're doing that. We're currently on the driver's side of the car, so we're at the second fuel tank. And after that, we're gonna go to the other side and hopefully drain that and go get some fuel for it, and should be running today. Oh, we can have both cars running today! Yeah!
Must have messed up.
Pretty much. We're wondering why it was running funny, and we found a hole.
Not a hole. It's a disconnected
Explain
hose.
it. Yeah, we found a disconnected
I'm not
hose.
entirely sure what it's for, but there's a hose. Well, you can see it a lot better now. It's like,
Where is it?
Shit.
Wait,
Right here.
hold on. You zoom in.
So right there. Can you see it?
Not really. Looks like brighter. It's a long way to 100.
Not really, actually. It's already there. So, no, yeah, come towards me a bit.
Light is in the way. Struggle just to.
No, yeah, okay. You can see
Where is it?
Right there. Right there. Right here. My hand's on the way. Where's the magnet?
I don't know where the magnet is. Just shine the light. You know, show them where it is.
Right here. Well, it's
You can kind of see it.
crappy, but
make it brighter. Hold on. Oh, shoot.
that's darker.
With the magnet?
Okay, right there.
That
So this
thing.
hose right here.
That hose.
Yeah, that one belongs like right next to where it is. That you're not gonna be able
Not gonna
to
see.
But that hose,
Current dilemma.
possibly, hopefully, most likely is the issue.
Hopefully.
We'll figure it out.
Guess let's put the creepy light on. We'll figure it out. So yeah, might have to take off the intake again. Justin doesn't want to do that.
No, this is just amazing spaghetti under here, and I'd much rather never have to look at that ever again. So,
I just have to.
no, shut it.
Well, Anthony's coming. Maybe they'll meet Anthony today. Maybe. Anthony's coming.
That's just standing on the front end of my car. That's just standing on the front end of my car. You got caught here, Shepard. You got caught. And you're still wearing the shoes.
I tried. I'm like, let me step on this so like adjust the light, and I'm like, oh shit. I took different steps. I'm like, wait, let me try. I'm like, oh shit, it's aluminum. Is it aluminum?
Yeah.
I'm like, it's aluminum. It probably wouldn't be smart. I got off because I'm like, damn. That's hilarious. So look, holy, it is dark. Oh yeah, that's why. Shut up, yeah. So game plan is Justin's gonna go underneath the car and put his hand through the crevice between the alternator Yeah, carburetor. And he's gonna go ahead. But look at this, guys. Bro, what the? Like what? So you can't jack it up. That's he's gonna take bricks. Just watch the process, cause he's not. Yeah. It's not a one shot. Some videos I didn't bleep it out. I just leave it. Sometimes it's just too much work to just. Yeah, it's too much work sometimes.
Put a disclaimer at the beginning. I may or may not have missed
A couple bleeps.
When I say a couple, I mean like one a lot. Because we swear a lot.
I'm actually tired. Oh yeah, jack stands.
Oh, that makes so much sense now, actually.
What?
Because that's after the math. So if air's coming in after the math, it's not reading all that air coming in and it doesn't know what to read.
By golly, Jim, you figured it out.
I figured it out.
There you go. There's one.
There you go.
That's okay.
Oh, it's easier if I just came off the floor. Ah, you hear that click? Click of success.
You got it in? Shut the hell up.
Sort of got it.
Shut the hell up. Yo, shut this bitch up. Let's go. Get the magnet, put it back in place, let's bitch up. Tell Anthony stay home. No, I'm joking. Say a word. That's fast as shit.
I
I
hope.
hope that is.
I hope.
We have our bunk wire for the secondary pump. Jeez. I'll hold this up while you start it. Let me just hold her up in the air. Pray for us, boys. Pray for us. Damn!
What the fuck? Why?
Yo, what? Oh, Jesus. Murphy. Flabbergasted. Flabbergasted. Okay.
Alright, I'm truly flustered.
Flustered, truly I am. Hold on. Okay. What? Okay.
I'm confident.
So, yo, I'm fucking confident too. Go. Come here, going. Come on.
Okay. Ready?
Alright, let's do this. That's sick! Bro!
That shit.
Bro! Okay. Yo!
Hello.
Woo!
What are you doing?
Did you guys hear that? You see that?
I gotta see the other.
Oh. That
Hold the
what?
horn for that. I had to hold the horn for that.
Yeah, that's sick!
That beautiful sound of
Holy
idol.
shit!
That beautiful sound of idol.
Bro, that fucking... Guys, you heard it, you seen it. It's good. I'll put everything back together now. Woo! We actually do this. We gotta warm up actually. We're gonna cool it first.
But it's too high.
Yeah, we gotta lower it down. Have to take this dog for a walk. Alright guys, so we have everything. Well, you guys heard the car runs. Now we're gonna bleed the clutch. No, we're not doing the clutch.
Cool it.
We're gonna do the coolant, make sure that's good. And so we're ready to put this thing back together and get it moving.
I don't know what that is, but.
Go low, they said. You'll be fine, they said.
Yeah.
qualità.